In linguistics, linear unit grammar, LUG, is an approach that describes language in chunks that unfold in real time, based on the notion that language is a sequential stream of spoken or written words. It therefore eschews a hierarchical description of language, and its labels are based on discourse functions rather than on parts of speech, noun, verb, etc., and syntactic roles, subject, object, etc. In LUG, there are two types of chunks, namely those that express the message and propositions of the text, M language, and those that express organization, O language, i.e., the structure, which in other linguistic descriptions includes such things as discourse markers, signposting, gambits, etc., as well as the speaker or writer's orientation, i.e., their attitude or stance to the message or to their interlocutor or reader. It made its first appearance in linguistics in 2006 when John McHardy Sinclair and Anna Mauron published Linear Unit Grammar, Integrating Speech and Writing. In the introduction, the authors acknowledge the linguist David Brazil, whose studies into the grammar of spoken English departed from traditional analyses. Further reading: Huang, Lan Fen, 2013. The Use of Linear Unit Grammar, LUG, in the Investigation of Discourse Markers in Spoken English. International Journal of Language Studies 7/3. Mason, Oliver, 2007. Review of Linear Unit Grammar. TESLEJ 11 halves. Sinclair, J. M. Mauron, A. 2006. Linear Unit Grammar. John Benjamins. Stone, Lucy. 2012. Grammatical Patterning in Literary Texts and Linear Unit Grammar in the Dialogue of Hills Like White Elephants by Ernest Hemingway. Innovate 4. Alpha Project.